Welcome everybody to my first video on my channel, and it's going to be a very quick one. It's going to be how to make a MCP 1.8.9 client. MCP really only supports 1.8.8, so there's going to be a bit of tinkering involved. There will be 3 downloads in the description, 4 if you get later in the video. These 3 downloads are basically just used to modify MCP in itself. That way it can decompile 1.8.9 instead of 1.8.8. So you're just going to extract all of these. And what we're going to do is pretty simple here. You're going to take these 2 files, MCP stable and MCP srg. You're going to drop it in here, copy it, go into conf, delete patches, paste it right in, and replace files. Go to version, change 1.8.8 to 1.8.9 and then save. Now MCP is set up for decompiling. I'm not going to decompile because it would take a long time, but this folder, MCP 919, is now set up. You're just going to run decompile.bat and it will give you an error. And inside that error, you're going to navigate to source, Minecraft, net, Minecraft, world, gen, structure, and then find mineshaft pieces. You're going to scroll down until you find int k. Right here. It'll be right here. And there will be a variable called like lvl underscore 51 underscore 1 underscore. Just replace this variable with a single letter K. Save the file and you're done. So now that you've got that little glitch fixed, you're going to open Eclipse. You can convert it to IntelliJ if you want. You're going to navigate to your directory and go to the Eclipse folder, paste it into your workspace and launch it. Now there's a few things you're going to need to fix. I'll go over them real quick. First thing is I've deleted the client folder and done it all here, but I'll show you still. You're going to go to build path, configure build path, and I like to switch the JRE to 1.8, but that's just my personal preference for useful things. The jar 1.8.8 is going to give some issues, so you're going to navigate to your MCP folder, jars, versions, 1.8.9, and then 1.8.9.jar. Then you're going to go to the native library location and change from 1.8.8 to 1.8.9. Then the same thing right here, you're going to change it from 1.8.8 to 1.8.9. Just hit OK, and now you've done that. You're going to also have to deal with realms, hit edit, go to jars, libraries, com, mojang, realms, 1.7, then open the jar, apply and close. Now there's still one, no, I think that's actually all the errors. There's still one thing left to do though, is you'll be able to load in with this. So all you've got to do, 1.8.9, pretty simple setup. To export, you're going to go here, Java, jar file, next, unclick all of that and remove the .settings folder. Now you're going to click browse here, go to your %appdata, go to versions, make a new folder, call it some name, and remember that name. In my case, it's Destiny Client. Remember that name because you're going to be naming everything after that. So name this to Destiny Client .jar. Just hit enter, finish. Just name the jar the same thing that you named the folder. It'll say it's exported with some warnings. That's fine. We don't care. Now, what you're going to do is open this folder that you just created. So I'm going to navigate there. Versions, Destiny Client. Here we go. We've got our jar file. It's decent size, but it's not really helpful in itself. There is the fifth download in the description because there will be a build project in case you don't want to have to deal with this. The 5th download is the Json file to run your client. So navigate into your folder, name it the exact same thing, and download it. Alright, so now that we've got that, click edit, open with, you can click edit if you have associated with Notepad. Then scroll down a bit, depending on how big your Notepad is, and change ID, whatever you named the folder and the jar file and the JSON file. So now you've got your JSON set up. Go to your Minecraft launcher, installations, new. When you scroll down, you'll find Destiny client listed, or whatever you named your folder. Name it something. Give it a nice little icon if you want. Create, play. There we go. Now you'll see, we'll be booting in 1.8.9. You're on 1.8.9, you're on your launcher, and you can do whatever now. You can join